This is Fire Chief Brian Helmick with an important message from your East Contra Costa Fire Protection District. The COVID-19 pandemic has rapidly changed our lives as we know it, and I want to thank you for staying safe, staying informed, and most of all for staying home. The COVID-19 situation has reminded all of us that emergency services matter. That's why, especially now, we're asking you to stay in touch and continue to stay informed. This video is part of a video series created to help keep our community informed and provide answers to questions that we received during our We Are Listening initiative. I hope that you find our videos helpful. And also please remember, the East Contra Costa Fire Protection District is your fire district. You own it, and you will get to shape our community's fire-safe future. Thank you.
A lot of people think that we are the Brentwood Fire Department, the Oakley Fire Department, and/or Contra Costa County Fire. And we are none of those things. We are the East Contra Costa Fire Protection District, a independent special district with elected board of 5 that covers 250 square miles. The two challenges the fire district has is number 1, providing adequate fire protection to our existing residents, and number 2 is addressing growth responsibly. We really wanted to spend a lot of time listening to the citizens and the businesses of our jurisdiction. We are trying to actually get out to the 128,000 residents. And the reason I know that it is working is that we are getting a lot of feedback. We've had hundreds of handwritten responses into the district. We have had a lot of interaction. We had a lot of really good feedback, constructive and otherwise, and I really do feel that we have heard a lot, and it's important to let the people know what we've heard and to clarify any confusion that they may have. The We Are Listening initiative is something that was directed on behalf of the fire board, is we really wanted to make sure before we took any additional steps to make any asks and or go for any initiatives within our jurisdiction. The goal is to be able to continue to inform, educate, and refine and provide very relevant, accurate, and factual information to the citizens to further inform them about the fire district. So we have heard and we've collected a lot of frequently asked questions. Now the goal is to be able to provide the clarity and information and continue to inform and educate our communities with some factual information. When I had the privilege of becoming the fire chief in 2017, the district had some very real challenges. There were some things that were very, very apparent that we had to correct, and they are not being transparent. We were criticized of not being transparent financially, operationally, not having an accessible website with a lot of information, which we do today. We have, in the last 3 years, received actually a transparency certification from the state of California. I believe in transparency, I believe in truth, and that is the platform that I operate on personally and professionally. The district does have a 5-year strategic plan. And what that 5-year strategic plan does is it identifies not only our mission, vision, value statement, but also the goals that the district wants to achieve over the next 5 years and what the strategies are to achieve them. It also has an implementation action plan that very much focuses on the budget of the district and identifies what we can do with our existing revenues the district receives. And it also defines the deficits that we have to increase service levels over time. It is very measurable, and then it also identifies who would be doing what if we received additional revenue. East Contra Costa Fire Protection District is your fire district. Get informed. Important decisions are coming to ensure a safer community.